Hey everyone, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be teaching you the cause of candle sweating and how you can prevent it from affecting your candles. If you're having issues with candle sweating, well, don't sweat it. This annoying candle issue occurs when there are little beads of oily residue, known as sweat, on the surface of the candle. Occasionally, in a container candle, there could even be a puddle. Candle sweating is caused by a combination of things, and 100% soy candles are notorious for sweating. Soy wax can release excess oil during temperature changes, and this can be strictly from the wax itself. Speaking of temperature changes, with 100% soy, the lower melt point of the wax will cause excess fragrance oil to be released when the candles get too warm or are placed under lights, like in retail environments, trade shows, or the sun at the booth at the farmer's market. Finally, if too much fragrance oil is used in any candle formula, no matter the type of wax, it can sweat out of the candle, particularly when exposed to warm temperatures. The important thing to note is that sweating will not affect the quality or performance of your candle. However, let's be honest, it isn't really that attractive and it's a bit tricky to explain to your customers. If you just Google candle sweating, you'll find dozens of candle makers and candle brands trying to explain why their candles sweat and how it doesn't affect performance. I don't know, but wouldn't it be nicer to just make a candle that doesn't sweat? Soy is wildly popular, and a lot of you want to stick with 100% soy. By all means, if that's what your customers are demanding, keep your soy wax around. We suggest trying one of the luxury blends from the Wood & Whitco, like virgin coconut cream, cocoa apricot cream, or beeswax cocoa cream, as they are formulated to not sweat and have excellent fragrance throw. We've included them for you in the links below. There are also some fantastic soy blends, as well as other vegetable blends that perform very well and don't have the issues that 100% soy can have. Adding a bit of highly refined food-grade paraffin to your blend might be an option as well. Also, be sure to add your fragrance at the recommended mix and pour temperature, along with the recommended fragrance load for your wax blend to ensure that the fragrance oil is properly combined. On the Wood & Whitco waxes, refer to the product label for the recommended fragrance load. As always, store your candles in a cool, dry environment. Now you're ready to create candles that don't sweat. Want to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Have you ever experienced candle sweating with your candles? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest Makers tips and tricks. See you next time on Makers Moments. Happy making!